And the answer, according to the research, is, well, not really.
Okay, so the problem is pretty clear. Our own biases are trapping us in a search bubble. But the solution seems kind of obvious, doesn't it? Let's just be more aware. Well, this is where the story takes a really interesting twist.
I mean, that's the million-dollar question, right? If we know we're doing it, can't we just stop? Can we make a conscious effort to search more neutrally and just break the cycle ourselves? And the answer, according to the research, is, well, not really. In 2 different studies, they tried telling people about the bias, prompting them to correct for it, and it had, and I'm quoting the study here, limited efficacy. Turns out, just knowing about the trap isn't enough to keep you from falling right into it. So, if trying to fix our own brains is that hard, what's the alternative? Maybe, just maybe, the solution isn't about fixing the user. Maybe it's about fixing the tool. And this is the big pivot in the research. Instead of putting all the pressure on every single one of us to fight our own cognitive biases, what if we just redesigned the search platforms themselves to account for this little quirk of human nature?
It really boils down to a fundamental change in what a search engine is for. The standard way is all about hyper-relevance, which, as we've seen, just reinforces our beliefs. This other approach, the one the researchers tested, changes the goal completely. The new goal is diversity of results, to actively show you different points of view. And the result? It worked. When the researchers built their own custom search engine with this broadening feature, they found it actively encouraged people to update their beliefs. It didn't force them to change their minds, but it gently nudged them out of their echo chamber by showing them there was more to the story. And that brings us to the really big picture here, because this isn't just about getting better search results to settle a bet with a friend. This is about the very foundation of how we as a society understand the world. So here's the bottom line. The way our digital world is built has massive real-world consequences. The design of these search algorithms can either shove us deeper into our own little information silos, or they can help us build a shared reality based on a much broader set of facts. Which leaves us with this one last huge question. If we can't reliably pop our own bubbles, but the technology to help us do it actually exists, who's responsible for making it happen? Is it up to the big tech companies to change their code? Or is it up to us, the users, to start demanding a broader, maybe even a more challenging view of the world? Something to think about.